Hello there, look what I got today. I was gonna unbox it, but I thought maybe you'd want to see this. See, I started opening it, and then I thought maybe you want to see it. Want to see it? Ooh. Oh, look. This is a Peterbilt car carrier trailer. Isn't that amazing? For my Hot Wheels, 1/64th scale. Wow. It was hard to find this, but I found it. Because you know we like Hot Wheels sometimes, and I wanted a truck to hold the scale, you know? And this says it's a special numbered edition. Peterbilt 579 with car carrier trailer, limited edition, one of 504 that were made. I wonder what number this is. Should say somewhere, shouldn't it? Maybe on the truck. Should I open it? Go on. Never had one of these, did you? It's nice and heavy. Oh, it's taped. Beautiful so far. Ooh. It's a big rig. Oh. Whoa. That's heavy. And metal. Look. This is really heavy. Nice hitch there. Oh, yeah. I'll just look up there. Whoa, all right, hang on. Two gas tanks. Just like real. Maybe this has the number on it, no? Oh, these are individual wheel chocks, actually. You break them off of there. Put them in place in them slots. See? That's what this says. Oh, and it has, this is sticky stuff to apply the wheel chocks. In position as required for various 1/64 scale automobiles. To apply a chock to a trailer, first gently clean the trailer deck surface of any dirt and oils that may prevent the chock's adhesive from sticking. Alright, then I'll do that later. Then you stick this there. Pretty neat, right? Realistic. Put them wherever you want them for whatever cars you have. Park them up there and they'll stay in place, right? That's a fun project to do. I had to share it with you. I'd like to find which number of 504 it is. Limited edition, where would you find that? Iconic replicas. The greatest name is die-cast replicas. Big rig replicas. I don't see no number. That's no fun. Certificate of authenticity. nice and solid. Do you like it? Look at. See that? Should have a number on it, shouldn't it? Seems to pull my leg. Anyway, what I would do is do this. Hook it up. Get my Cadillacs. Don't you like a 18-wheeler full of brand new Cadillacs coming from the factory? Gold. Yeah, all right. We'll tie you down later. Gold, blue. Don't bump into them. Put the ramp up. Slide the ramp in. Maybe I'm missing something here. I don't know. I thought there was supposed to be a ramp that comes down. But anyway, we can just pretend. We're pretending anyway, aren't we? Yeah, you need wheel chocks on there. See, they're going to fall forward. Look at that. Brand new Cadillacs. See? Isn't that fun? Cadillac Sevilles. Back in the 80s. We were cruising with them, aren't we? I am going to put them wheel chocks down there real nice. 6 Cadillacs in a truck. We got to nail them down. That ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's my project. I'm going to do that. Get my microscope out, my tweezers, clean it with alcohol, glue them down. Okay. Isn't it great, though? It's so much fun. I love it. Take my picture. I think I got enough, right?
You'll have to pick.
Ain't that neat? I love it. I think I ordered another one, too. I couldn't find one on Amazon. I looked and I found one somewhere else. And as soon as I ordered that one, they said, look over here. And right there's one on Amazon, which was this one. So I got another one coming. Okay, a Mercedes. Big rig. I am going to put these down. Stick them down with the sticky stuff. 3M little sticky things. I'm going to need tweezers. I'll show you that, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like Hot Wheels and new Cadillacs.